representative of City Vice Mayor Henry C. D. And of course, Ms. Cheryl Pateño. And of course, with them will be the Honorable City Councilor Michelle and Chavez Sweet. Okay, so to award will be Sir Lito Dudes Dalangin and Ms. Cheryl Pateño. And of course, Ms. Daryl Hanna will assist them. And of course, instead of Honorable Sweet, may I request Ms. Cristina D. Carlos Velesque, our generous sponsor also for our pop. And to, of course, to crown the Miss Gay Iligan 2011 is the Honorable Mayor Lawrence Lutz Cruz, and in his behalf, of course, the ever supportive to the Lady Boys of Iligan City, Madam Gina Sue Hilda Macapayag Cruz. So it's going to be like this. The first number that I will be announcing will be the Miss Gay Iligan 2011. Okay, so it's like this. Of course, to escort Madam Gina Sugil, the Cruz will be the MRP head, no other than Pastor Felomer Kokoy Sabano. So I guess pass wouldn't be available. So instead, may I respectfully request Mr. Marcelo Achas Jr. So, the first number that I will announce will be the Miss Gay Iligan 2011. And the second number, they are only two remaining. So the first number that I will announce is the Miss Gay Iligan 2011. And the second number that is not announced will be the Miss Tourism 2011. So who do you think is our Miss Gay Iligan 2011? Okay, so we all have different bets, but as what I have said, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, and this time we have to trust the better judgment of our distinguished panel of judges. So ladies and